Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, we'll also be reviewing HESFintech, and we're going to be looking at the pros and cons regarding the platform, which is one of the lending platform, online software which you can actually use, and you can also see the benefit you can actually get from HESFintech and how you can actually get started with it. Then we'll also look into the review to see what people are actually saying about this software. Then you'll be able to know if this software will definitely help your company or your business. So checking on the website, HESFintech is one of the best lending platform which offer different kind of features, and of course you are going to be able to generate and understand how your business inflow actually works. Then you can see on the solution section there we have different kind of feature, which is consumer lending, microfinance lending, POS lending, payday lending, auto lending, and different features up to peer-to-peer lending platform, which of course HESFintech will definitely help you to understand your users and how you can actually give them the best which they actually need from you. So these are some other features which of course you definitely benefit from the software if you can purchase, and they also offer a demo which you can actually benefit from before you started using the pro version of the software. And these are the products which of course you definitely understand how HESFintech works. Then this is the service section, which is digital transformation consulting, lending software development, which makes your business more easier and suitable for you to operate. And these are for the clients, so you see who are the people they actually work with, which of course we're still going to look out to that in this video. And you can also check out the partners who are actually working with HESFintech, and then the company bios, contact us, and then the blog post which the platform is also generating and creating for business and users to consume. So scrolling down, you see different features of the website software and how you can actually just get started with it as easy as possible. And you can also make use of it using your mobile device and your tablet or your PC. Either way, every of the device actually work perfect for this platform. And then these are the different categories which of course you can decide which category you would like to go to, or which one relate to the kind of things you actually need your platform to do for you. So you definitely understand much about any of the one you actually choose, and then you can get started with it. And if you have any queries, you can reach out to the customer support to help you out on any issue you face alongside when you are trying to make use of the platform or the software. So scrolling down, the website also have a no-code and AI decision-making platform, which of course make it for everyone. Even if you are a newbie, you find it more easier to operate, and you don't need to have or to be a techie survey before you can make use of this platform to help your business and to do some other stuff, which of course you definitely might be looking out to hire any experts to help you out with it. But definitely you have access to everything you need, and if you have any queries, you can reach out to the customer support to help you out and solve out any problem you are facing at the moment. And you can also rate the 10 insights from the Forbes Finance Console, so you can see much info about that. So what's new on the platform? So you can, if these are what you actually need to read, so you can just choose and read anyone that works for you from that. So for the reviews that people are actually saying about the platform, so this is a review platform which of course generates and give out much insight about software, and so you can see how it works and then know if you would like to get started with the software or not. And these are some official screenshots from the platform, which of course you can look into and see how the platform looks like, the inside of it looks like. And this is the statistics page of the platform. Then this is the application process, which of course you will be able to have access to manage and see how the platform is going and how the loan is actually working. And this is the dashboard of HESFintech, which of course if you buy the software you'll be able to have access to this page as well. And this is creating a new product on the HESFintech. So and this actually looks great, and the software itself looks great. So I'm very sure you researching this video definitely means that you are actually interested in knowing much about how the platform works, so that you'll be able to know if you should trust the platform or not. And this is one of the recent reviews about the software. You can see September 26, 2022. So it's very new, and then it also gives more insight regarding the platform. And this is another one. This is September 30, and they are actually giving their honest review regarding the software, which of course it's helping them in one way or another. So this is all I have for you regarding HESFintech software, which is one of the best lending software management for every business owners who is actually looking for a way to manage their business effectively. So this is all I have for you in this video, and if you have any question, let me know through the comment section. I'm very much happy to help you out. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.